In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable filter keys on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side, scroll down to interaction and select keyboard. And then there should be an item that says filter keys. Click inside the oval one time to toggle to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.